Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing, are the Chinese the future of tourism in Thailand? What are we talking about here? I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Birds, Booze, and Banter Remain the Pattaya Attraction for Brits. The thrust of that article goes in a different direction, but this excerpt I'm going to quote is pertinent for this video. I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article for more detail. Quoting directly, the warning signs for the future may be the absence in Soy Buakaw of visa shops whose traditional role has been to assist foreigners with the bureaucracy of Thai immigration. There used to be 4, now there are none. Former owner Kun Kati said, quote, there are fewer Brits and Europeans these days looking for annual and long-stay visas. Also, the recent decision to give tourists 60 days on arrival with easy extensions. Easy extensions that's some poetic license there, I think. I think that's an understatement too. That's a presumption. Yes, you can extend the status, but you still got to deal with immigration. Quoting further, compared with 30 days in the past, means that they don't need agents to help them get a longer stay. He added that he was now going into business with a Chinese company selling tours mostly to Phuket and Bangkok. Quote, there are 1 billion Chinese waiting for their first passport. They're the future. You know, it's hard for me to argue with that logic on a certain level because he's right. If there really are 1 billion Chinese that have never had a passport in the past, that would presume there is pent-up demand for tourism all over the place, presumably here in Thailand as well. Now, let's bear something in mind though. Here recently, Chinese tourism has not been at the forefront of the tourism numbers here in Thailand. If anything, I think China's economy is having some issues and we're just not seeing the demand we once saw amongst the Chinese market for tourism to Thailand. Now, that may change. In fact, I presume it sort of will, especially when you're comparing sort of the West to the East. I think more and more many of these Eastern countries, especially as Eurasia goes through this incredible industrialization process that we're currently seeing happen. Yeah, I think there's going to be more demand in the travel sector for Chinese nationals, as well as nationals from many other countries that to date really have not made up a large number of tourists here in the kingdom. That said, are they going to be the end-all be-all? I'm not quite sure, but we will certainly keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.